Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and today's episode is entitled, What in the World Did I Get Myself Into? You guys know I'm a Halloween nut, and I was like, I am not going to get a new hobby. I just purged my craft room. I got rid of stuff that I never even tried to do. And then I turned around and I started doing the diamond dot painting thing. I saw these kits at Michael's and they were fantastic and super beautiful, and they're Halloween. So like I had to get them. So I'm going to kind of give you a close up here. They're just gorgeous. I finished these three and they're absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. And I've got a fourth one ready to go. But like now, like I'll show you, I bought another one. So this one here, ready to go. That's my next one. But I wanted to show you that I've got myself into a little bit of a new little hobby. And I got a little setup here. So this is the table. If you remember from my craft room tour, this was where my sewing machine is. It's right there now. I moved it off to the side for a second because I wasn't using it and I wasn't using the space. And so this has become kind of my dot painting station. So I dug out my Caterpillar Glow because it does help me because there's not really any overhead lights in this area. So I use that. And then this is the fourth painting in the first kit that I bought that is going to be done. So I've got my little setup here. I've got some real basic supplies, but this is where I'm doing that. And then, yeah, I got this cart, the cart that I showed you over here. So let me pull this out. And I have like some tools that I received in the kits, and then I bought a few more, things I needed. Like I thought I needed some more trays and some different things. So that tackle box there is also from Michael's, and it has storage containers and some tweezers and some wax and all the things you need. And then I bought a couple other things at Craft Warehouse. And there's some glue there for finishing the project when you're done and all that. But I got this little skinny on rollers storage area that goes right by this desk. I'm going to pop it back in there, and it slides there so it's out of the way, and I can pull it out when I'm ready to work on my project if I need it. And then I got my newest one that I'm going to do next. I don't know what I was thinking. This one's huge. It's like 16 by 20. But it's going to be so pretty. Look how pretty this thing is going to be. I just love it. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. I also wanted to show you at Michael's, they had a 3-ring binder that you could store your drills in. And I decided to make a DIY version. So I got a Simple Stories. Let me show you. It's a Simple Stories binder. And I had the little plastic envelopes, to go in them. So I decided to put my little drills in there for safekeeping. I haven't used the containers yet. I thought this might be easier because it sits right by my chair. Okay, chair sits right there. I can flip through the book, and I have them in alphabetical order, numerical order, and I can find them a whole lot easier that way. And I'm going to try this method. I might change this to like little Ziploc bags because the binder clips are kind of bulky. But for now, it works. But there you go. So in the evenings when I'm really, really tired and my brain just needs something calming and a little bit, easy to do because I don't have to think about it. I just have to put the right colors in the right spots. I can put on a TV show and I can do my diamond dots. So that concludes this episode of What Have I Got Myself Into Now? And that's what I wanted to show you. I am by no means an expert. I've just started doing it, but I found that this is really fun. I really like it, and this is going to make some great additions to my Halloween decor. All right, so what do you think? Have you guys done it? Do you guys have any hints and tips for me? Because I think I need them all, because I don't know what I'm doing. I just was like, this looks really cool. I got to do this. And then I'm thinking, what am I thinking? But anyway, I like it. It was fun doing these things. And yeah, so anyway, that's it. Gotta go. Stay crafty. And don't forget, you can always learn new things. It's all good. So have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.